Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Latest Update. The topic of today's discussion is Buddha's Piprava relics. The Ministry of Culture, Government of India, has taken swift actions to prevent the auction of the sacred Piprava relics by Sotheby's, Hong Kong. These relics, excavated from the Piprava Stoop, are considered deeply significant in both historical and religious contexts, particularly as they are linked to the birthplace of Lord Buddha. The relics, which include bone fragments, caskets, and precious artifacts, are classified as AA antiquities under Indian law, making their removal or sale illegal. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS-GS Foundation course Prelims plus Mains is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 7th May at 8 a.m. and the Hindi medium batch admissions are now open. For more details, contact 87501 87501. Let's discuss about the Piprava relics. The Piprava relics were excavated in 1898 by William Claxton Pepe and include bone fragments, soapstone and crystal caskets, a sandstone coffer, and gold ornaments. An inscription in Brahmi script on one casket confirms the relics are of Buddhist origin deposited by the Sakya clan. Most of these relics were transferred to the Indian Museum in Kolkata in 1899, but a portion of these relics retained by Pepe's descendants was listed for auction. Piprava is a village near Beatpur in Siddharthnagar district of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Piprava is best known for its archaeological site and excavations that suggest that it may have been the burial place of the portion of the Buddha's ashes that were given to his own Sakya clan. Let's now talk about the sacred relics of Buddha. These relics are enshrined in the Moolgandha Kuti Viharya monastery located in Sarnag, Uttar Pradesh. It is run by the Mahabodhi Society, which was founded by Anagarika Dharmapal. The remains were excavated by H. Longhurst at Nagarjunakonda, Andhra Pradesh during 1927 to 1931. These relics were handed over to the Mahabodhi Society on 27 December 1932 by Rai Bahadur Dayaram Sahni on behalf of the Viceroy of India. Let's move on to today's practice question. The Piprava Stoop is significant for which of the following reasons? A. It is the burial site of Lord Buddha's relics. B. It is a symbol of the Mauryan Empire's expansion. C. It marks the place where Buddha achieved enlightenment. And D. It is located in the site where Buddha gave his first sermon. Send us your answers in the comments section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.